Hey everybody, we had to retreat to the tent. It's hailing out there, and a little bit of lightning, a little thunder. You see the hail bounce around. So got my generator under cover, unplugged, and Zen and I are inside the tent. Let's see what happens. We can use the rain for sure. Except Zen doesn't like thunder. He's not a big fan of thunder, are you? Day 2 with rain. And look, I got a trailer again. This was not the tilt bed, but they dropped off some wood and left the trailer here for a couple of days. So it's raining. Thank goodness. We need the rain. Finally had enough today to actually get the ground wet. Yesterday it rained for about 10 minutes and quit, but today it's still raining for about 30 minutes. It's really nice. It's peaceful when it rains, besides the clap of thunder and flash of lightning everywhere, but it's kind of nice. Zen doesn't like it. He's actually laying, you see his leg laying under the table. He doesn't like thunder, so he was in the tent. When it thundered, he wanted to go back outside. So I don't understand that, but that's him. What are you standing out in the rain for? He said, because I can. My neighbors just brought me over hot chocolate. Man, this is chocolate, homemade chocolate with cinnamon. That is really good. It's what you need on a cool night. It's actually probably in the mid-50s right now. So it'll be a nice night with a wet dog. Go get in the shelter, buddy. Of course, you know, Pyrenees, they don't listen. They do their own thing. Well, all my dinner companions have gone home back to Vegas area, so for another year or so. But someone else brought me last night. Look at there, a big old burger. So I just reheated it up in the little grill, and a pickle. And then in my refrigerator there, I've got leftovers from my neighbors when they left today. They left me ribs and steak and tamales and beef sticks and bacon and a lot of meat stuff. So we'll be eating that on the next few days. But Zen back here is waiting for some food, aren't you? You're always waiting for food. I think he's happy everyone's kind of gone, kind of let the crowd die down a little bit. But the tent's still here. I'm having trouble with my zipper. It does not want to zip. And it keeps coming unzipped and falling apart. So, yeah, let's see what happens. And since I'm having trouble getting this audio put out, I am just going to end this video and start a new one and see if the makes any difference. All I'm getting on from here on is just a buzzing noise, and I've tried 3 or 4 times, and I just get a buzzing noise with the microphones, without the microphones, a camera. So I don't know. We'll figure it out somehow. But thanks for watching, everybody. We'll make this real short, and we'll continue on another one pretty soon.